Hi there. In this guide, I'll show you how to log in, view your quotes, and convert them to orders at mwcomponents.com. Start by heading to mwcomponents.com and clicking Sign In. Here, you'll log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be able to see your account information, and you'll click Quotes on the left side of the menu. Here, you'll see a list of all of your quote requests, including quote numbers, dates, and statuses. Click on the quote number to view the full details. You'll see part information, quantity, pricing, and expiration date. Ready to place that order? Simply click Convert to Order at the bottom of the quote. This will take you directly to checkout where you confirm your shipping method, payment, and submit your order. Once submitted, you receive an order confirmation and can track the order under My Orders. That's it. Converting a quote into an order is simple and fast. No need to re-enter part number or details. If you run into any questions, our team is here to help. Thank you.